So right now it's the end of another day in the life. I want to tell y'all why I don't upload YouTube videos regularly anymore. I've been getting a lot of questions about that, asking why I don't upload every other day like I was doing before. And that's just not possible, man. The thing is, you know, all the stuff I do right now has just shot up, man. I just got so much to do. So y'all can see that fuel gauge right there. That's how I feel right now. All right, and that's pretty much how I feel at the end of every day. And you know, I just gotta work as hard as I can. I just like to grind, man. I don't like leaving money on the table. So, you know, y'all can see the time right now. I'm tired, man, so I'm grinding it all, you know, pretty much all day, every day. I don't have time to be editing no YouTube videos and, you know, posting that, because this YouTube thing is taking freaking forever, man. I don't really have the patience to, you know, upload every other day, and, you know, my YouTube channel takes forever to grow, you know what I mean? Yeah. Anyway, man, grinding.
I work hard every motherfucking day, I work hard every day,
It's a new day, boys.
Talk this one out, you know? For real, this go for A major, man. A major. Nothing that don't deserve it, man. What's good, scientists? Talk to me.
I got the metal in the back. About to go send all this over, see how much money I'm gonna get.
Count it up, count it up, count it up, count it.
So, who would have thought recycling scrap metal is not very profitable? As you can see, that's the money I got. That's the cash right there. Yeah, man, I thought it was going to be more than that, man. But anyway, we got to go do this shout out. Alright, man, I'm about to take care of this shout out real quick. Thank y'all for liking my videos, by the way. Them likes mean a lot. Okay, so what do we got? We got $51, $75, $25, $80 to $90, $14.50. Okay, we got $18 right there. It's close. Okay, so the winner is Chase Nixon, $18. Chase Nixon, y'all follow him. Let me click on his thing real quick. Yeah, man, y'all follow Nixon. This car is for sale, the Copart Chevy Malibu. The $350 Copart Chevy Malibu is for sale. I'm gonna do a whole cost breakdown of this car once I sell it. I posted it for sale a couple days ago. I've had a few people come to look at it. Nobody wants it because of the crack in the windshield and, you know, stuff like that. However, there's no check engine light on this car, no lights on the dash, the airbag light. I took care of that. I replaced the SRS module. As far as everything in here, I used the purple power. I used the purple power to clean up the interior. It looks flawless. They still got cigarette burns in the seat. There's nothing I can do about that. But everything's in there. Things good. I should probably crack down these windows a little bit. It looks pretty clean in here. But nobody's wanted the car yet. I finished up with all the wheels, man, on this car, the Cadillac, man. So, I don't know if I told y'all about this, but my original plan for this vehicle was to make it into a little budget donk, man. You know, I wanted to get big wheels, a nice bass in here, you know, get it loud, get it banging. But, you know, I realized that the wheels I wanted the rims I wanted. You know, they were gonna cost me around $3,000, man. So you know what, man? I gave up on the whole idea. I figured I may as well just make the OEM wheels pop, try to make them nice and not all grimy. They were the worst wheels I've ever seen on a car as far as the condition of them. They were the most grimy wheels I ever seen. They had so much road grime, so much brake dust in them. And the wheels are not perfect. They're never gonna be perfect just because there's so much road grime embedded into the chrome. You can see right here, it's literally embedded into the chrome. It's never gonna come out. And this is actually the best wheel on the car, which is why I'm sitting right here right now. All the other wheels came out a lot worse. I'm pretty much done with the exterior of this vehicle. All I have is a little rust spot. And as you can see, yeah, you know, this is one of the worst. This is kind of like how the other wheels turned out. This road grime embedded into the damn wheels is really bad. I cleaned all these wheels. There's road grime embedded in all of them. But yeah, I gotta put some Bondo on this rust right here. And that's pretty much it as far as the exterior. Ladies and gentlemen, it is the end of the vlog. Again, if you want to reach out to me, you can email me at rtwmedia@gmail.com, or you can direct message me on Instagram. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel, the Roaches to Wrenches YouTube channel. Keep the movement going. Follow me on Twitter, add me on Snapchat, follow me on Instagram, all at stack612. That is stack_612. But anyway, as always, I'm grinding, and I hope y'all are doing the same. Y'all stay strong, stay healthy, and stay inspired. I'm out. Peace.
Johnny Walker neck up in the benzo freezing. The heck long cock block pumping is easy. Poison metals on my neck, wrists, and arms. Louis luggage is bronze, a big bag of D, happy Quans. Together we the shy lights, a twist of the OJs. One line from this, I have you.